Introducing Breaking Point, Chandler's Choice. This is book 2 in the First Responder Fairy Tales. I just finished profiling Elevated Inferno, Monet's Moment. Reese, the male main character, has a best friend, Moses, who's also a firefighter. And this is Moses' book. And Reese's cousin, Zion, is book 3, which has not hit the presses yet, but pray for me, it's coming soon. So in Breaking Point, Chandler's Choice, Moses is the player from the Himalayas, and Chandler is a nursing student who's really focused on getting through school and taking care of her mom, still grieving a little bit over the loss of her father. When she meets Moses, she's just not in the mood to be playing. So she just straight up tells him, I don't want nothing serious. We can kick it for the summer, be friends with benefits, yada, yada, yada. But they have such an awesome summer that at the end of the summer, Chandler decides, maybe we should try to give this thing a go for real. You know, I'm basically acting like your girlfriend. You acting like my man. Let's make it official. Well, surprise, when Moses is like, nah, dog, I'm good. I want us to continue with what we have been doing. Moses has his own demons that he's battling that Chandler doesn't know a lot about. And so thus the title of the book, Breaking Point. The breaking point is when Chandler decides to move on. And of course, Moses becomes to regret his decision not to give Chandler a chance because ain't nothing better out in them streets for him. So this is now available in the TikTok shop. And remember, these are all under my name, Carlotta A. I'm Dr. Carlotta Berry. I am an engineering professor, roboticist, STEM communicator, and children's book and romance book author. And I write under my pseudonym because I didn't want my college students to mix up my technical work and my technical textbooks with my romance novels. But that ship has sailed. They done found my stuff. I'm busted. But I still write my romance novels under my pseudonym. So I am going to read just a taste of this so that you can be inspired to go get your copy from the TikTok shop. These books are $20, free shipping. Get yours today, tomorrow, or whenever. Get it for yourself or bless some young woman in STEM. These are low heat. These are very low heat. These are sweet, cute romance. They are okay for high school girls to read. I read romance, Harlequin Desire, Silhouette Desire, Harlequin when I was in high school. This is about the appropriate level. This is not 50 Shades of Grey by no means, not at all. It's about the Black women in STEM finding love and success while experiencing some challenges in their personal and professional lives. So please check out your copy. I'm going to read a little bit, just a teaser, baby, because if you want more, you need to go buy the book and get this in before book 3 finally hits the presses. I'm trying to get it done. Lord knows I am. Acknowledgements. I want to thank God because when I trust in Him with all my heart, lean not to my own understanding, and acknowledge Him in all my ways, He always directs my path. Proverbs 3:5-6. Thank you to my beta readers, Makitha, Leah, and Nellie. My books would not be possible without your sage critique and advice. To my book bestie, writing mentor, and critique partner, Tiffany Christina Lewis, who believes in me even when I don't believe in myself. There is no way that I could achieve my Black STEM romance mission if you had not also embraced and supported my vision. I can never thank you enough. This book is dedicated to past, present, and future Black women in STEM. This story is a love letter for all that we do to amplify, normalize, and diversify STEM. Also to my husband, William, daughter Kennedy, and mother Dorothy, who are my biggest cheerleaders and supporters no matter what. Finally, to those that I lost during the writing of this book, my brother Kevin Alexander and my aunt Dorothy Louise, rest in heaven. The saddest part, and I mentioned this in my previous video, is that in the writing of both of my books, I lost either a family member or my best friend. So my prayer is that during the writing of book 3, I do not lose anyone else. My favorite author and poet is Maya Angelou. Love recognizes no barriers. It jumps hurdles, leaps fences, penetrates walls to arrive at its destination full of hope. Maya Angelou. Once upon a time in Atlanta, there was a kind nurse with almond brown skin, big brown eyes, and beautiful natural hair. She was passionate about caring for her young daughter as well as her patients. This is the story of how she reconnected with a frog she once kissed, discovered a handsome prince, and rediscovered her inner princess. Can she forgive past hurts when love is on the line? Can she meet her daughter's needs while also satisfying the desires of her heart? Is there such a thing as happily ever after when a broken frog turns into a prince? Remember, these are the first responder fairy tales. Book 1 and book 2 are available in my TikTok shop, $20 each. Book 3, Jordan's Journey, will hopefully be coming soon. And remember, the first responders are not the firefighters profiled in the book. They are the Black women in STEM, because we create the solutions of tomorrow that will make the world a better place. Get this book to inspire yourself or somebody else who wants to see themselves in STEM. And stay STEM-tastic.